going really smoothly so far. We are working with our partnership with the National Animal Rescue Sheltering Coalition because this is a disaster to help find places that are going to take and relocate these dogs. They are already starting to get some calls about some owner surrenders, which we expected was going to happen. So now they have a nice safe place and an empty shelter to bring all these animals to, which is a big thrill, and we're just really thankful to be a part of it.
So we've got 29 dogs on the truck today, and that's a combination of puppies and dogs. So right now we're heading over to Gulfport, where a local veterinarian has agreed to spay and neuter all of the dogs. So she's a high volume spay-neuter clinic, and she's going to rip through these guys quickly so we can get them on up and get them into their new homes. So we're going to send 3 people with the dogs after they are spayed and neutered, so that way we can always have somebody in the back keeping an eye on the dogs. And then we'll be able to stop frequently so we can let them all out to go to the bathroom and just keep trucking along. Right now we're looking at taking them all the way up to Maine. So they've got a long journey, and it's going to be exciting. And they're leaving the hot humidity and they're going to be heading to where it's cool. So it's going to be an exciting journey for them. Everybody is just so excited. I just can't believe how people are really thankful that we are here. We're giving them the space that they need, giving them a break, and that way they can really prepare for those dogs that they're expecting to come in soon.